2025 was a year of proof, a proof that progress is measurable. We expanded globally, launched smarter tools, and crossed $500 million in total rewards paid out since we began. Let's take a look at everything we achieved together just in 1 year. In February, FTMO announced its acquisition of US broker Oanda. May, App Suite by FX Blue for MetaTrader. June, new instant withdrawals via MasterCard Send and Visa Direct. In July, new crypto pairs in free trial offering. August, FTMO returns to the United States. September, FTMO celebrated 10 great years and launched CTrader for free trials. October, new P&L calendar in account metrics. And we've had 100,000 traders on Discord. In November, we paid over $500 million in total to FTMO traders. And we've reached 500,000 followers on Instagram. In December, FTMO returned to India and completed the acquisition of the US broker Oanda. It's been an incredible year, and I want to thank every one of you for being part of it. But this was just another step forward. 2026 is coming, and we are ready to raise the bar again.